everybody. I'm doing something just a little bit new today. Today I'm actually narrating my own piece. And the reason I'm doing this is because I find it way too hard to do it when I'm actually painting, because I'm not saying what I want to say because I'm thinking about what I'm doing next. So hopefully you'll like this better. Now, I'm doing my very first balloon smash. Pretty excited about it, but I couldn't decide whether to do black or white, so I'm doing both. Now I'm using some neon colors. I'm using the neon pink, and I'm using neon green, and then I'm using blue, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of white around the black and black around the white, just to see how it goes. I really appreciate you guys watching today. That really, I'm flattered. And let me know what you think of this narration. Yeah, I love putting that bright green on there. Now, when I mixed all these two, I already mixed them ahead of time, where I did put some medium in them, and I put some water in them to make them really fluid. I don't have water in this balloon. I actually blew it up. Wiping it off on a paper towel. Now right here, I'm looking at it and it's like, oh, I'm so excited how it's turning out, but I just never know when to quit. I'm always trying to go further. In some ways, I wish I would have left it, because just the way the pinks and the blues and the greens are popping right here, I love it. You can see how well it all flows. Yeah, right here, I wasn't sure how it was going to take shape. I was getting a lot of the white and the black. They were blending. They weren't staying in a straight line, so I didn't know how that was going to turn out. It's still not too bad for the color, but I know I'm going to need to put more color on there. Because once I started doing the running back and forth in the diamond shape, I had to keep doing it until I had that part just right. So my thoughts for the balloon were kind of put aside until I had this right. Now look at how the black and white are blending now. I thought that was really, really cool. All right, let's try again to balloon smash it again and see how the colors are. Nope, doesn't look good. Colors blended way too much. I can remember myself standing there thinking, what do I do? Now this is where I should have stopped with the color, but I did more white and more black again. Not bad. Wish I had a little bit more pink, but then on the other hand, at this point I didn't want to do too much more, because I was just blending way too much, but I was pretty happy. I thought the black and white came together really nice, and I was still getting some color, so I was pretty happy. So please like and comment for sure, because I want to know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. You never know what I'm going to come up with, whether it's painting or other crafts. All sorts of stuff I'm going to be doing. All right, well, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And I hope you're all staying safe out there, and you guys all have a fantastic day. And there's the final piece on the wall. Bye now.